Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome and thank you so much for being here. You guys, today we're having a Dollar Tree haul. As you guys know, I spoke in one of my previous Dollar Tree hauls that I've been on a hunt for those velvety pumpkins. I still couldn't find them. It is crazy how things are just flying off the shelf so soon, and it's only beginning of September, and I've been on the hunt for those pumpkins since I'd say August 25th or so. I hope I find them, but I did find some great stuff, you guys. I spent about $100 on this haul, but it's because I got many items that were like in multiple quantities. So let me go ahead and share with you what I got. Okay, we will go ahead and start with signs, you guys. The first sign that I found, fall signs, it says thankful, harvest, blessings, and pumpkins. And it's a really pretty sign right here. It's really pretty. The next item I found was really nice. And I'm actually going to try to go faster this haul because while I still have some natural light, you guys, I'm actually in this big what do you call, bean bag closer to the window so I can still get the natural light, so I don't have to set up the lights. That takes forever. Okay, this one says Farm Fresh Fall, and I love this one here with this red truck. You guys know about this famous red truck that is always, they bring it for Christmas, for a Valentine's Day, Easter. This red truck always carries something for holidays. This is really cute, you guys. I got this, so I don't like it to put on the wall like this. I like it to be framed, so I bought this, which brings me to the next item. This is this picture frame right here. So you guys, I got it to see if I could frame it. I am going to do a DIY slash decorate the coffee bar, you know, for oh, this is broken, man. For Halloween, it's okay, I'll fix it. For fall. So when we do that video, I'm gonna show you what I have put. Well, they are $1. Yeah, this is broken. Okay, well, let me at least show you the idea. So I'm gonna take all the whatever comes in here. So the idea was to put this in the back and open it. Oh, it fits perfectly. It fits perfectly, I think. Just like that. You guys, this is really nice. For $2, look how nice it looks. And it's framed. And you can, you know, spray paint the frame, whatever you want to spray paint. I'll do copper probably, or like a dark brown to match the decor in my house. But I think this is a really good idea. Rather than having them just hanging on its own, frame it for an extra $1, frame it, and it looks so much more high-end. I love it. Okay, guys, the next items, if you remember also in my previous Dollar Tree haul, I also said that I need more wreath hangers for the entrances in our home. So I bought 4 of the orange one and another one of the dark brown. You guys, it's so nice outside right now. People are walking, where our home is right on the lake, and it's really pretty. And people just walk, and I just can see everyone. It's really nice. So those I'm also doing a mini DIY with this wreath hangers. That's what. Yep. So stay tuned for the DIY video. The next item I found is 2 of this berry garlands, and this is 9 feet long. We'll go ahead and open one, but I thought that these are so cute and very folly. I don't know if that's a word. I keep saying it, but it looks like this. It's really pretty, actually. And for $1. There you go. There's so much you can do with this and embellish and whatever, but it looks like this, you guys. Alrighty. Oh, and here's the second one. I think they're the same color, yeah. There you go. The next items I found, you guys, at the Dollar Tree were this amazing Halloween and fall, it looks like all Halloween socks. I am obsessed with socks, so every time I go to the Dollar Tree, the first thing I do is I check for socks, because they bring socks for every holiday. But even just regular socks, they're just so cute, and they come 2, 3, 4 in a package for $1. Really good deal. This one is one pair. So this one here, it looks like this. So that's one pair for $1. Then the next ones I bought, you guys, these are like I hope you guys can see on your end, is the fuzzy ones. And these are so cute. This were $1 as well. Everything is $1 at the Dollar Tree. And then we have this. Then we have this kind. And we have this kind. I thought these are really cute. And they're very soft. Very soft. You guys, I can't explain it. Just soft. I hope you can see on your end the material is just soft, thicker material. Perfect for fall. The next item I found, you guys, also to me is fall just because of the color. Orange. I found this Shore Fresh container and lid, and they have vented lid. That's what I loved about it, because their lid is vented, you guys. Oops. There you go. I got 2 of these big round ones, and this comes 1 for $1. Then I also got a pack of 2 right here for the little ones, and this also have vented lids, and this come 2 for $1, and it looks like this. I thought this is a very nice color for fall. Actually, I'm gonna go get more, you guys, because I do have the Christmas ones that I bought from H-E-B last year, and they're green and red, like the whole thing green and red, but I don't have much for fall. Okay, the next item I found at the Dollar Tree, you guys, are this balls. They're aluminum or whatever, and I have the big ones that I got at, I don't remember, maybe Ross or Marshall or what, I can't remember. But this, look at this, you guys. They're a small one and a bigger one. They're both $1 each. And I don't have the little ones. I only have the big ones. So I thought how cute is to add this to my collection. So I thought this was kind of cute. I probably should have gotten a couple more. I love this so much. Yeah. And I also, you guys, bought 4 of this glass bowl with lids. I also think they're very cute. Look at this. And they have lids. I love clear glass bowls, because I feel like everything just stays fresher in there, and you can see, and it's just, I love it. I love a lot. And for $1, I think that was a great buy. So I bought 4 of this. The next item I found at the Dollar Tree, you guys, are this trays. Charger plate. They're called charger plates. They're very thick. I bought them to do a DIY for our coffee bar. So stay tuned for that. There you go. And they're such great, guys, they're really thick and really great quality for $1. It says for decorative use only. Well, that's what we're gonna use it for. You guys, this next item I fell in love with when I saw. It's a popcorn bucket. It's for our movie theater room upstairs. We have that machine that makes the popcorn. So I ordered bags, the popcorn bags from Amazon, and they were actually quite expensive. I can't remember, for a few, and they were actually really not even great quality, and they were, I can't remember, about like $10 maybe. And I found this bucket at the Dollar Tree, but I also, guys, found this little baggies. It comes 8 in a pack. They're 5 inch by 3 1/4. And this looked like to be a good quality, way better than what I ordered from Amazon, actually. And it cost me so much more. So there you go. Oh yes. So if you want to, just have your own little baggie, and eat popcorn. Or, you know, if you're sitting with your family close by, y'all can, you know, share and use this one. I love this a lot, actually. And I love the little baggies. I was very impressed. I was very happy to find this. This is perfect for our movie theater. Okay, guys, the next item I found are these coasters. Naturally absorber coasters, and I thought they're so cute, and they're gonna match my decor. I actually bought them for, if you guys see behind me right there, there's that table. Actually, James's computer and mine is on it, but we need to move him. James is we're gonna move him. He just temporarily came here for a couple of days because we're redoing his room. But yeah, these are for that table. That's our breakfast table, or breakfast nook, I don't know how you call it. So look at this, you guys. I love the message behind it. Together we make a family. Family is the heart of our home, and a family is a patchwork of love. And I also love the color. I feel like this color really matches, like this brown here matches with my decor and everything, and this blue goes with this brown just perfectly. So I bought 4 of this, and this is how they are in the back, and they're $1 each. I think it's so great. They're so great. The next item I found, you guys, is this Barilla Basics. I use this all the time, and I'm almost out of them. And they really do work well. Then I got this meat chopper. It's interesting because I never used the meat chopper before. I never had one. I just used the flat spatula to break, like, you know, ground meats or whatever. But this is cool. I think this will be faster. It's really nice for $1. Why not? I'll add it to my collection. I also found this disposable gloves of 100, and I use this for when I mix meats or whatever. Some, you know, if let's say if I have long nails, or yeah. But mostly I use my hands to mix in my kitchen, and I believe that your hands are the best tools, you know, to you know, mix your food. But I got this, you know, also for it. I use gloves, you know, when like there's greasy food or whatever. The next item I found, you guys, is this pizza sauce. And I looked at it, and the reason I got it from the Dollar Tree, because it says includes 0 added sugars. And most of the pizza sauces have sugars added, and this is 0 added sugar, and it's only 4 grams net carbs per 1/4 cup. And I want to make this chicken crust pizza that is keto friendly. So I thought that this is perfect for keto right here. It's by Pantry Essentials, and I bought 2 of them. So they're $1 each, obviously. Then I got 3 of this ground cinnamon. This we're gonna use for our coffee bar when we make coffees or whatever, you know, and we add cinnamon. So I bought 3 of those ground cinnamon. I was also looking for the pumpkin spice one, and I couldn't find it. It was gone. But I'm gonna try another store. I think I actually have some. Then I also got the garlic pepper seasoning because I use it. And you guys, I found this. I couldn't believe it. Sugar-free French vanilla syrup. Again, I'm trying to be on this keto diet, so everything has to be sugar-free, no carbs, whatever. So this is perfect to add to my coffee. It's zero everything, 0 fat, 0 carbs, 0 sugars, just 0 everything. And it look at this. It's by Sweet Sensations. So I love it because that's keto friendly. It smells good. It smells like vanilla. Okay, the next item I found at the Dollar Tree is this drop cloth, 9 feet by 12 feet. I actually got this for when I make DIYs, and when I spray paint, I'm just gonna put it around, you know, so I don't spray paint on the floors or whatever. Even if you do it outside, you wanna have something, you know, and don't spray it on the grass, because then it's just, you know, it doesn't look nice, right? So I bought this for that purpose. And I also got this felt pads for our couch, if you guys see right there. They're little legs, so it doesn't scratch the floor. I bought this pads right here. Then I found this Short Fresh 45 bags, sandwich ones. They're not 45 bags for $1, not bad. Look at this. They're like that. Then I also got the big ones. Then I got the big ones, you guys. These are the gallon ones, 13 of them for $1. I also bought 10 for $1, the Ziploc ones, but I don't know where it disappeared. My son, Matthew, because he was earlier in this bags doing his thing. So these are the gallon ones for $1. I also got one of this hand sanitizer because you guys, every time I see a hand sanitizer, I'm like, ah! So I always take one home. But they have plenty. The shelf was full, obviously, but I take home always because we use hand sanitizer all the time. So, Then you guys, I found these headbands, and these are pretty cute. Let's open them up. These are $1. I think they're really cute, aren't they? So this is the blue one, and then we have this kind right here. This will probably go more with what I'm wearing now. And then we got this right here. There you go. Just gonna leave it on, I guess, for the rest of them. The next item I found, you guys, for my kitchen as well is by Scrub Buddies, this reusable gloves. And I use them, you know, when I wash our toilets or when I clean the house because, you know, so here's that. Because the chemicals are, you know, pretty strong, so you don't want them. Oh, they fit perfect. I buy this actually all the time from the Dollar Tree. They used to have longer ones, I remember, long, really nice with like polka dots. I don't see them anymore, but this will do. These are really cute, and they're pink. They had different colors too. Then you guys also found this puffs right here, and this, oh, I bought 3 of them. You can never have enough of this in the house, especially now through what we're going through. And James and Matthew especially, they poor kids, they have to wipe their nose every 2 seconds. So these are really, really great. Okay guys, I actually just found another Halloween item, fall item. This is the by Craft Square decorative mesh, and this is a green. You guys, I know that I got in brown, like dark brown, 3 of them, and I think only 1 in green, and I don't know where they are. I'm telling you, I think that Matthew, because Matthew's been playing in my bags earlier, and he tends to hide things. I'm not going to be surprised if I'm going to find things around the house that were meant to be in this haul. I'll just hold them in another one. But there's this mesh, and then last but not least, you guys, ta-da! I found more of this. So if you guys watched my part 1, I believe, of the Halloween edition or whatever that I posted last week, I've been on a hunt for this, and it's for a Christmas DIY, and I'm gonna make this huge candy cane lollipops for our backyard over here. So last time I only found 1 lime green and the rest in red. They had blue and orange, but I didn't want those because those are not Christmas colors. But you guys, this time around I found green. So I bought, I can't remember, I think like 10 in green. And then I bought like 10 in white. And then I just got more red. So I was very happy to find, because I couldn't find green anywhere. I might buy more, but this might be enough because I have, like, at this point, I have like 40 of this. But it takes 2 pool noodles to make a lollipop. So yeah. But anyways, you guys, and I'm gonna have that out, you know, as a DIY. You know, probably will start Christmas DIY maybe October, November, something like that. I'm not sure yet. Anyways, you guys, this is it. I hope you liked this haul. If you did, give me the thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, you guys. Follow me on MommyBoVision on Instagram at MommyBoVision if you're not following me, because I am planning also to do their mini giveaways and things like that, and just kind of keep you updated when the next video is coming. So I would really love if you guys can follow me on Instagram as well. With that said, I love you guys, and I am gone.